Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make corn muffins with Jiffy mix. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, grab 1 box of Jiffy corn muffin mix, 1 large egg, and 1/3 cup of milk. Make sure your muffin tin is ready. You can grease it or use paper liners for easy cleanup. This simple preparation ensures a smooth baking process from start to finish. Now, let's get mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the entire Jiffy corn muffin mix with 1 large egg and 1/3 cup of milk. Stir these ingredients gently until they are just moistened. It's important not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly normal and actually help create a tender muffin texture. This quick step is crucial for light and fluffy results. Time to bake. Carefully spoon the batter evenly into your 12 prepared muffin cups. Fill each cup about 2/3 full to allow for proper rising. Place the muffin tin into your preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the tops are a beautiful golden brown. You can check for doneness by inserting a toothpick. It should come out clean. Your delicious Jiffy corn muffins are ready. Let them cool in the muffin tin for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. This helps them set and prevent sticking. Serve them warm with a pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or your favorite jam for a delightful treat. They're perfect for breakfast, a snack, or alongside chili. Also, be sure to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.